What's up, YouTube fam? All right, so what we're gonna be doing today is adding a little pop of color under here. I have been looking at different options, and I have another video on my channel from a Mustang that I've done the valve covers on, and I started thinking of whether or not I wanted to paint this right here red. I'm fine with all this being silver and the powered by being silver, but I'd like the SRT to be red. So what I did was I got on eBay and I found, I think it was SLB decals. They actually sell a kit that has the whole kit here, all these lines up here and the powered by and this SRT. Well, I contacted them and told them I just wanted the SRT in red and a vinyl sticker. So I did these on my 2016 and I only kept it for 7 months, so I don't know how well it lasted. I know they looked fine after 7 months, but I know it does take, you know, a little bit of going back and forth to get these to line up. So I'm gonna be putting these on and see what they look like. Okay, so this is what I've done. I've peeled back the backing paper and I'm going to attempt to line this up over the top of the silver. I mean, I can't believe that I actually did it that well on the first try. It's actually pretty good. And as you can see, when the S is lined up, you can see right here that the R is not. So I may cut the other ones as individual, cut in between here for the other side. This seems to be working fairly well. Let's see. All right, so I forgot to mention, I already cleaned this with isopropyl alcohol here and scrubbed it real good with that. I actually cleaned this, I wiped down the whole valve cover there with alcohol. So we're gonna move on to the R. Go ahead and get this peeled off here. Bend this back and just go for it. Try to line it up. This actually match the lettering much better than what I thought it was going to. Man, this is actually going a whole lot better than on my last Scatpack. And much easier than taping all this stuff up and trying to paint it. This is actually turning out really well. Get good pressure on these. All right, on to the last one here, this T. Just kind of go for it here. Well, that went surprisingly smooth. All right, make sure we get good pressure on those. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks pretty good to me. Let's go over to the other side here. All right, you got everything in silver on this side. I'm just gonna walk it out to this side. It's just, it's the little things in life that really make you happy. That little pop right there really changes it for me. Here we are, finished product. Looks great in my opinion. To be a vinyl sticker, I mean, it don't get much better than that. I mean, the cut on these things are fairly precise. There's a little bit of silver here and there that might be showing, but for the 2-minute install to put these things on to get the look that I was wanting, hey, it's worth it to me. Now the only question is, how long is this gonna last? Is this a good quality vinyl? Is it gonna stand up to the heat underneath the hood? Only time's gonna tell for that stuff. I just put the Taser on. If you're watching this video, you've probably already seen the Taser video, so you know that. But yeah, subscribe for more. If you got any questions, comments, concern, drop them down below. Remember to thumbs up or like this video. And thanks for watching.